Hey friends, I hope you're having a wonderful day. I wanted to bring you a video on the wig on my head because I shared it a few days ago and I got some negative comments about it being too full, too poofy, didn't look realistic. This is Joss from Renee of Paris in the color Watermelon R, and I have got to tell you guys, I absolutely love this wig. And I wanted to show you a styling option in case you purchase a wig that doesn't work great for you, and maybe it's too full, maybe it's just too much hair and you're not used to it, which most of us with hair loss aren't used to a lot of hair, especially extended hair loss. Headbands are a great way to style a wig until you can get more used to the poofiness on it. You know, I always cringe when I hear negative comments about wigs because I picture the new wig wearer or a wig sister who maybe loves that wig or has that wig, and then they see these negative comments and they're second guessing their choice because it's already so hard. I just want to encourage you, we are all so different. We all have different preferences, and a preference is just that. It's a preference. It's an opinion. It isn't fact. Some of us love Brussels sprouts. Some of us hate it. Some of us eat a carnivore diet. Some people think that's unhealthy. Just because you don't like something or you disagree doesn't always mean that's fact. So for my wig sisters who love big hair, who want to try styles like this, don't be afraid and don't let those negative comments dissuade you. You can always style. Love what you love.